Okay, in this exercise, we are going to read about set and okay, its other calculations. Okay, the first one, the today's class goes like this. Okay, okay, children, look here. This is the question from. Okay, I had just told there. Question number one. In question number one, there is given about Venn diagram. I just explained there. Okay, in the board one. And here, for question number 3 and 4, in book, what is given in question number 2? Are you looking on the book? Look there. Eugene, are you looking? Maybe it's in question number 1, what is there?
Write the set notation to represent the setted portion in each of the following the Venn
Yes,
diagrams.
yes, that Venn diagram one, we have to write the state notation. I have just told you in the board one. Okay. In question number 2, what is there?
Represent each of the following sets by setting in a Venn diagram.
Yes, we have to represent the given one by setting the Venn diagram one. Okay, in question number 1, Venn diagram is already given by setting. Okay, its set notation we have to write, but in question number 2 there is given already set notation. We have to draw the Venn diagram. Question number 1 and 2 are interrelated one. Okay, in question number 1, Venn diagram is given already. We have to write the set notation. But in question number 2, there is given already set notation is given there. We have to draw their Venn diagram and state the reason. Okay, children. And then now I am going to tell you here from this question number 3 and 4. Okay. In question number 3 and 4, what is given there? Look here. Set A is given A, B, C, D, E, and set B is given B, D, E, F, G. Find the following, and so in Venn diagram it is asking. And I have shown here number I. In number I, what is asked there? A union B. Okay, Eugene?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sarah, are you looking on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look here. In this question, first of all, write the given sets. Okay, like this. Set A and set B. Then we have to write A union B equals what? Okay. And we have to write now A union B equals what? We first of all write the elements of set A. Okay, children. Then write a union and then write elements of set B. And when you find the union, union means what? When we find the union of these two sets, we have to write the set A and set B together in one set. All the elements write in only one curly bracket, and you have to always remember in that case we should not repeat the same elements. We should not repeat the same elements. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We wrote all the elements from A and B, and but here is repeating. Which is are repeating here? B, D, E, B, D, E.
E.
Yeah, B, D are repeat. They are repeated, but we don't repeat while writing them in one single set. Okay, children. This is the process to find the union of the given set. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes.
Now, after that, what is there asking there? After finding this A union B, now we need to show them in a Venn diagram. We need to show in a Venn diagram. Then we have to write Venn diagram. and at the side, or you can write below also. Here, look here. This is set A and this is set B. And when we draw the Venn diagram, please keep the space to write here at the middle one, okay? B, D, what is there? E, B, D is common. Common should be written at the common part of what? A and B both. First of all, insert them, okay? Here. First of all, write them. B, D, E, right here. And remaining of A, what is there? A and C. Elements of A set, what are the remaining elements of set A? A and C.
A and C.
And what are the remaining elements of set B?
F, G.
F, G, right here, okay? Right here, remaining elements of set B. Then, which part you have to say here, Sarah? Which part we have to say? What is the answer here? Which part is shown by this answer? In which part these elements, okay, lies in this Venn diagram? Those parts should be shaded. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
What is the answer here? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Those A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Yes, sir.
those parts should be shaded. And please don't forget to write there. There is something written at the bottom of the Venn diagram. Have you seen?
Union.
What is written at the bottom of the Venn diagram, children? Can you read it?
A union B is shaded.
Yes, very good. A union B is shaded. Don't forget to write it. Okay, Eugene? And I hope that everybody are keeping the note of these questions, okay? Or you can take the screenshot now and later on you can note down. Okay, children? How to find out A union B and how to show them in a Venn diagram? Have you understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Good. Maybe sir, have you understood, Nano?
Yes, sir.
Good. Suvan? Are you clear about this question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to show you. I am going to show you the next slide. Now it goes like this, look here. Has it come there? Classwork number 2, A intersection B. A intersection B means what? How to find out, look here, eh? That we have tried the common part. Okay, children? And what I suggest you, this symbol looks little bit okay, little bit small one. That, and what I suggest you, when you write the intersection symbol, make it little bit longer, okay, little bit longer. Make it little bit longer. Okay, children? When you write the symbol of this intersection and union one, please make them little bit longer. And here look here, I am going to show you. Here is given one question. A to number 1. A set is A, B, C, D, E, and B set is B, D, E, F, G. Then question is asking to find here A intersection B. Then first of all write the elements of set A intersection, then write the elements of set B. Okay. And when you find the intersection, we have to write their common parts, okay, common elements only. Are you clear, children, here?
Yes, sir.
What are the common elements in set A and B here?
B, D, and E.
B, D, A.
B, D, and E.
Okay. Here, look here. And what I tell you, the questions are same. Look at set. Look, sets in the question are same. Set A and B, same question. Okay, same set. Then when you draw the Venn diagram also will be the same. But what will be the difference? Do you know?
Shaded part.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Just shaded part will be the different. Why do you know? Look here. The sets A and B are same. That's why Venn diagram will be same. But the answer has come different. BD. That means we have to shade only the part which is represented by this BDE, common part one. And we have to draw the Venn diagram like this. Venn diagram is same. Then just what will be shaded?
Sir, can you repeat? I don't understand that.
Look here. Yes, I am going to tell you again. Look here. Set A. What is this set A, Sarah?
A, B, C, D, E.
And what is the set B? Elements of set B. What are there?
B, D, E, F, G.
And what are the same elements in set A and B?
B, D, and E.
B, D, and E. Very good. Because these three elements lie in A also and they lie in B also.
B
That means
also.
that is they are the common elements of set A and B. That is called the intersection one. A intersection B. And what I tell you, when you draw the Venn diagram, which part is represented by BDE there? Which part is represented by BDE there? This part should be shaded. And one thing I had told you just now, Aditi, what should be written at the bottom of the Venn diagram?
A intersection B.
A intersection B is
A intersection B is shaded.
shaded. That should be written at the bottom of
A
the.
intersection B is shaded.
Is there shown or not? Eugene, has it come? Has it come there? Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
student. I hope you are clear about this A intersection B also. Are you clear, Sarah?
Yes, sir.
And other children also please take part, eh? Take part in class activities. Sahaj, Arya, Prajol, Nebisa, other also please take part in class activities. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
good. Now I am going to show you the next slide. The next slide goes like this. Look, children. There is left 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, our class will be over. Okay. Look here.
Sir, we should rejoin or not?
No. Our class will be completed. Look here. Number 3. What is A minus B? Look here. Eh? I am going to show it. What is the meaning of A minus B? A minus B means the subtraction of the two sets. Right? First of all, set A and set B. Okay, children. Eugene, are you looking?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to write A and A minus B. Right? A and minus, write the elements of set B. What we have to do while subtracting the set? Look here. Whenever you subtract the sets, at that time, we have to see there which elements are the common elements there. What are the common elements there? What are the common elements there?
B, D, and E.
B, D, and E. B, D, and E are the common elements. Then this will be subtracted. They will be subtracted. Then we have to write the elements which are remaining in the set A. Which elements are remaining in set A, Sarah, there? When you subtract B, D, E, what are remaining in set A, Eugene?
AC. AC, FG.
A and C.
Oh, A and C only. FG is remaining from B. We don't write that because we are subtracting from A. Then we have to write the remaining elements of
Excuse me, sir.
remaining elements of set A only we have to write. Okay, Sarah?
Sir, the same from set A and set B we should subtract, and
Yeah.
then the remaining will be A and C.
Yeah, remaining of A only we have to write. Don't write the remaining of B because we are subtracting from A. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Are you clear about this question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you have any confusion, please ask, okay? And A, C are remaining. And as I told you before, and whenever you draw the Venn diagram will remain same. But what will be the answer? Do you know? That part will be shaded. The shaded part will be only the different here. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Which part you
Yes,
said?
sir.
Which part will be shaded here?
Only A.
Only A and
A
what?
and C.
But A and C. Where we have written the elements A and C, okay, that part will be shaded. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then when it is asked to draw the Venn diagram and so in it, then we have to, as I told you, we have to draw the Venn diagram same. Just what will be the different one?
Shading part.
Why? Can you tell, children, why I have shaded here A and C part only? Why I shaded the part A and C only here?
Because A
Because
and C
after
cancel.
subtracting, their A and C is only left.
Yes, very good. A and C were living elements of set A. That's why this part will be shaded. This part will be shaded. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes.
Okay, very good, very good. Now I am going to proceed to the next slide, and it goes like this. And here we have to look here.
Huh?
See here. Okay, Sarah, look here. In this question, it is asked to find B minus A, and here also will be same. Now, can you tell the elements are remaining from B or A? Can you tell, student?
B.
Yes, because we are subtracting from B. Then what will be remaining from B?
F,
F,
G.
G.
FG. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. Then in the Venn diagram, Tara, are you looking there? In the Venn diagram, which part you have to say?
Yes, sir.
Which part you have to say there?
B and sorry, F and G.
F and G. Very good. Very
F
good.
and G.
Other Venn diagram will be same. Just just F and G will be the remaining part. That's why that will be shaded. And please don't forget one more thing that I am repeating. What should be written there?
B minus A is shaded.
Good. B minus A is shaded.
B minus A is shaded.
Good. Are you clear, children, about it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now I am going to show you the next one slide, and here in this question we have to solve this question like this. See here, children, here I am showing this here together. Okay, why I am showing here together? Look here, eh? Look, children. First of all, we have to do this. The Venn diagram is same here. Okay, Venn diagram is same because the sets are same, but which are given in the bracket that will be solved first. First, I have solved here A minus B. Okay, children. A minus B means that A comma C came. It is already done before also. And we did here then after B minus A also how to subtract it. I also explained it already. You know that. Okay. And when you find the intersection of A minus B intersection with B minus A, what is common there, children? Can you tell what are the common elements there? Is there any common there, Aditi?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir.
Empty
No.
set.
Yeah, there is no element common. Okay, that's why we have write empty set. We can write here phi also. Symbol phi also can write. or anti curly bracket also can
Sir,
write.
which symbol?
Phi, phi, okay. And phi symbol will be like 0 and caught by one vertical line one. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
look here, in Venn diagram is same, but what is shaded there?
Outer part.
Outer part, where there are no elements. Where there are no elements, that part is shaded.
So if there were elements, then
Okay, if there is element, then which answer comes? If there comes AC, then AC will be shaded. If BD answer comes, then BD will be shaded. If FG answer comes, then FG part will be shaded. But here is no element, that's why outside part is no element. That will be shaded here. Okay, student? Okay, student?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now I am going to show you there the next slide. This is, look here,
Okay, sir.
A union B, we find A union B first. Okay, A union B, we know how to find out it. I have just explained. A intersection B also, I told us now how to find out it. Then we have to subtract them. Subtract A union B minus A intersection B. Then what will be your answer? Answer will come A, C, F, G. Then we have to set A, C, F, G only here. Okay, Celine?
okay, sir.
A, C, F, G will be stated there. Are you clear about it, Eugene? A union B minus A intersection B is stated. Okay? Then today's class this much only.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Bye bye children, bye bye, and see you tomorrow in the next period now.
Bye bye, sir.
And
Bye-bye,
please,
sir.
and please
Bye-bye, sir.
keep practicing mathematics.